Hey peeps, Julian here from Disrupt Tutoring, and as always, it's such a pleasure to join you. We are on question 5.2 from the 2017 IEB Maths Lit Paper 1. And this question is a financial maths question which deals with calculating loan repayments. Okay, it says, a farmer decides to buy a tractor. He decides to take a loan of 50,000 Rand as a down payment. Direct Access, a loan company, advertises a loan of 50,000 Rand as shown below. So you can see you can choose on the sliding scale the 50,000 and what your loan term, your period that you want to take it over. So you can see the 6 years is selected. Also gives what the monthly service fee is. The interest rate is 28%, and then they've done a monthly repayment which excludes the service fee. So for 5.2.1, state the period of the loan, and as I said, you can see this was selected over a 6-year period. So 5.2.1, the period of the loan is 6 years. In 5.2.2, the monthly repayment indicated in the advertisement is not the full monthly amount that needs to be repaid every month. Determine the actual monthly amount to be repaid. So they say that this is the monthly repayment, but it's excluding the service fee, as mentioned before. So they've told us that the service fee is 68 Rand and 40 cents per month. So that means each month in total, the farmer is going to have to pay this amount plus the 68.40 Rand. So for 5.2.2, the total monthly payment, okay, is going to be the 1,774 Rand, okay, plus the service fee of 68 Rand and 40 cents, and this is going to equal, you can just do it in your calculators, 1,842 Rand and 40 cents. So that's what the total monthly payment is going to come to. Okay, and then on to the next one. Determine the total repayment amount of the loan over the full period of the loan. So it's 5.2.3. So the full period, so this is that we've just calculated what the monthly repayment is, and it's over a 6-year period. So we need to find out how many months are in this period. So number of months equals, it's going to be your 6 years multiplied by 12, because there are 12 months in a year. So in your calculator, 6 times 12 is 72 months. So therefore, the total repayment is going to be your monthly amount, which we calculated in the previous question, multiplied by the 72 months that he's going to have to pay for it. So it's going to equal 1,842 Rand and 40 cents multiplied by 72 months, and this is going to equal, so do it in your calculators, a grand total of 132,652.80 cents, and that is the final answer. Before I go, I just want to give a special thanks to our epic sponsor for making these videos possible. Read all about them in the description below. Be sure to visit our website for more of these epic tutorials. Remember, if you can't find the answers to your question, send us your question and we'll respond with a personalized video just for you. And until next time, stay epic.